Hi everyone, this is Selina. Welcome back to one of my videos. I hope you're well. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Selina and I release crochet tutorials and free patterns. So today I'm bringing to you this beautiful and super chunky baby blanket. As always, the free pattern will be available on my blog, selinaveronique.com. The link will be in the description box. So as I said, this is a super easy and fun and fast baby blanket to crochet. And for this project, I used 2 balls of this yarn. And it's by James C. Brett and it's called Flutterby Huggable, super chunky. And I did use 2 balls of yarn, and so this comes in a 250 gram ball of yarn. It's 100 meters and it's 100% super soft polyester. It's considered a super chunky yarn. It's also called super bulky in American terms. In the description box, I will be linking all of the materials and I will be linking substitute yarns if you can't get this one specifically. I also used a 15mm crochet hook, a pair of scissors and a tapestry needle. I will be using US terms with British terms in brackets. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. That really helps out my channel. And without further ado, I'm just going to jump into the tutorial. So to begin this tutorial, just make a slip knot. Pop your hook through and tighten. And now you will be chaining 34. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And once you have the 34 chains, I will now show you what to do. Count 1, 2 and 3 chains from the hook and place a half double crochet into that. So just go ahead and wrap your yarn around your hook. Go into the 3rd chain, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. Take your yarn and pull through all 3 loops, and this creates your first half double crochet, and the first chain 2 counts also as a half double crochet. Now go back into the next chain with a half double crochet. So just go into each and every chain across with a half double crochet, and then I'll get back to you. Okay, so we have 1 row of half double crochets as you can see, and now for row 2, what we are going to be doing is chain 2, 1 and 2, and this counts as your first half double crochet. Turn your work, and so this goes with this first stitch here, and so we are going to be going into directly the 2nd stitch with a half double crochet like this, and again place a half double crochet into each and every stitch across until you reach the end of this row, and then I'll show you what to do then. Okay, so I just wanted to pop back onto camera just to show you the end of this row, so don't forget to place a half double crochet inside the chain 2, as this counts as a stitch. And this is what we have. This is so beautiful, so gorgeous. So just go ahead and repeat row 2. Okay, so just repeat this row until you have 30 rows in total. So as you can see, I have 30 rows in total. And I've used my 2nd ball of yarn, and what I did is I simply attached both ends of the yarn together, and now I'm just going to show you how I will be sewing in my loose ends. So yes, just go ahead and do this, and once you've finished your 30 rows, just fasten off and tidy up all your loose ends. So this is this super easy and cozy blanket tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.